So we get a lot of requests for how to back a boat up. And I'm going to back this boat into this slip over here. It's a little bit of a challenge. So I got this pontoon over here, kind of a tight area. I've got the current and the wind kind of blowing from my port to starboard. It's a lot of point and shoot. I turn my wheel all the way to my starboard to the right side, put it in reverse. I don't use any throttle or anything. I'm going to bring the boat just past the slip a little bit. I need to make sort of a 3-point turn here. I'm going to wheel all the way to my left, which is my port side, and forward here. And you're going to see the back of my boat's going to turn over to my right. Now I'm lined up. So I'm wheeling all the way to the starboard side, the first here. Straighten my wheel, pull right in. Now I'm going right into that slip. And really tight, but I'm going to make it. As I pull that slip, I might have to wheel right, left, and then of course once I'm all the way in, we're going to forward gear now to stop it from going backwards, and we are in the slip. That's it. It's a lot of point and shoot. Wherever you turn the engine is where the stern of the boat's going to go. Just remember the bow is going to go the opposite direction. Just bumping in and out of gear a whole bunch. In here, out of gear. Makes it nice and controlled. That's how I back into a slip.